Hi, we're back to Let's Bake and Cook stuff. Today we're making this
Cone and cupcakes.
Cupcakes inside ice cream cones, right?
Yeah, you can see the ice cream cones right there. There's brown and green, like camouflage, and then there's just pink.
Okay, ready?
And green.
Who's gonna pour the cake mix in?
Me.
The cake mix is in here, so
Okay.
just pour that in completely. All of it. I don't think.
Okay.
Alright, now we're gonna add
What
the
are you
right
adding?
ingredients.
How much water is that?
It's at the 1 1/4.
1 1/4. So 1 1/4 cups of water. Try and get it all inside the bowl, please. Thank you. Good. Now what?
Oil.
It's a 1/2 cup of oil. If you need to hold it like that, you can hold it like that too.
Oh.
See?
Thanks
Okay.
for doing it.
All right. Now you, Zoe.
I was scared there for a sec.
3
Zoe's
eggs.
doing eggs. I don't like eggs just yet. Of course,
But you like them in stuff. You like cake. You like cake, and there's eggs in cake.
and cupcake.
Okay, now what?
'Cause they have...
Mix it.
Okay. The directions say to mix for 2 minutes on medium. And then we'll be back.
Yeah.
Smells so good.
It's mixing. It's mixing. It looks good, huh, guys? Wait to that line.
But don't smash the cup doing it.
That's
There,
all
that's
it is.
way better, honey.
Right.
A little bit more. Keep going. Don't listen to me.
Keep going
Keep
until
going.
the line.
Keep going. Good job, honey.
A little more.
You're all shaking.
Yeah,
Okay, that's
she's
good.
shaking. Okay, that's good.
Okay.
I did that too, see?
Gotta do it slowly.
See right here.
See, you're trying to do it too fast, honey. You need to be patient.
That time.
When
it's
you're
usually-
cooking, you have to be patient. You can't just be all in a hurry all the time. You know why? Because otherwise that happens. We're gonna have to pour some of that out. Go ahead, try again.
Okay. Undecided.
Do it slowly, like Zoe did. Remember Zoe did it slowly that second time? She did it kind of too slow, but whatever.
Yeah, kind of.
Whatever gets it done right. If you have to do it slow, then
Stop.
is it up to the line?
Now it is.
There you go.
It's just drizzling.
Okay. You want to do the next one, Zoe?
Mhm.
Do it slowly. Do it. You did that last one. I mean, you don't have to do it that slow, but
That's exactly how it is on the box. A big. Okay. Right there. Right there.
You can still see the line a little bit.
Yeah, just a little. Oh, it's my turn?
Mm-hmm.
Come on.
Too much. Okay,
Really?
go.
Oh. Okay.
Yes, you know it's supposed to go to the line.
And now I'm gonna just do it this way. Because I have to do that one.
Stop.
You guys can try to make this at home. I'll do this one. Zoe can finish this one, that one. It looks like mayonnaise.
No, it does.
Okay, and stop.
Remember, I asked you not to spill it all over.
Sorry.
I almost did it because I had a. It's all the way up to the line. Did you see how fast I did it?
Okay, well, you can see that each one is filled to a different amount, so Grandma's going to have to fix it.
No.
And then we're going to bake these in a 350-degree oven for about 15 minutes, and then we'll be back. Action.
Hi guys, today the things are all completely done. As you can see, and Emma's doing the swirly things.
Okay.
Oh, that looks good. Okay.
That looks cute.
Mm-hmm.
It has to look cute. And it always will be cute.
So you make it so hard.
This is really fun.
Pretty good.
I did it top.
Yeah, it looks like an ice cream cone, huh?
Yeah, and with ice.
Look how cute that is and pretty.
But you didn't do that one. That's weird looking.
That one cooks silly.
What are you doing, Zoe?
This
That's what I did on one line. I did that on that one.
Okay. That'll be Grandma's. I like the ones with lots of frosting on it. Okay, now you want to put some... Hurry, finish that one because we're going to put some sprinkles. Hang on. Okay, now decorating time.
Yeah. It's blue and pink. Zoe wanted this type. I like that. I like it color. I didn't even see that. I was looking at all the different colors, but that one. Ooh. So can I use some of yours?
Ah,
Don't pour it like that.
no,
Okay?
no, you're doing it with your fingers.
Yeah.
Here, we need to put some more frosting on this one.
I know I did that on accident.
Okay, there we go.
I'll take some of you.
Here, how about putting them in the middle and you can share?
Okay, that makes more sense.
Okay.
Okay.
We forgot to taste them.
Yeah.
Everybody has to take one, their favorite one.
Zoe's wrapper fell off, and I don't blame her because mine almost fell off. Oh, I'm saying.
They good? You have a mustache now. No, don't wipe out your clothes. You're going to the dentist.
If I look
So are they
funny,
good?
If I look funny, please leave a like.
You have a lip.
Tastes like a cupcake ice cream cone?
Oh. You guys should really make this.
Why?
It tastes so good. Zoe looks
Okay, thanks for watching us make cupcakes inside of a
ice cream.
ice cream cone
Mm.
and then decorating them with pretty little sprinkles.
Yeah, our grandma's gonna leave you a photo of how they turned out and how they taste.
Put that down,
Bye.
please. Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.